Here we have the blender, an ice cube tray, instructions manual, and a USB cable to charge. As you can see, the blender. This unique design allows you to unscrew the cap from the motor. The blade is enclosed inside, therefore it is much safer to use. Ensure that you charge the blender for 3 hours before use. It can be charged by USB and it is also dustproof and splashproof. When fully charged, the LED will turn blue. When in low power, the light will change to red. Firstly, rinse the cup. Add some water or milk. Now let's prepare the fruit and ice cubes. Please note that this is a mini blender. Make sure you cut your fruit into less than 2 cm pieces. If you want to add ice, simply use the ice cube tray provided. Make sure to give it a good shake before blending. This juicer is designed to blend for 20 seconds at a time. When blending, you can shake it to avoid the blades getting jammed. This blender is very easy to clean. Simply add water or put it in the dishwasher.